कि हर एक कंपनी डिसाइड करती है कि हमें तो QA टीम्स की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है अब, वी कैन डू एवरीथिंग थ्रू AI और थ्रू ऑटोमेशन और थ्रू लाइक वी विल बिल्ड प्रोडक्ट, QA टीम नहीं चाहिए, व्हाट वुड हैपन?
Okay. Recently, in last 2 years, many companies have reduced the size of QA teams, and they and it is a good for them that they are giving the responsibilities to the developers, because development is the origin of a feature.
Yes.
The responsibility of quality goes to the developers,
Right, right.
and that is a good change. But the only thing concerned over here is that it is very difficult for developers to find mistakes in development. Being a third party people, you cannot unlearn development while testing, right? So I cannot do black box testing if I know how the product is developed.
Yes.
And black box testing is very much required because your users don't know.
Right, right, right.
Right.
Yes.
So coming from that level, QA engineers are required, and many companies who removed the QA teams have again started hiring the QA team members. And then there are few companies for them, they give the responsibility to developers for quality of the application, but then there's a UAD team.
Right.
Who are very near to customers. Those are responsible for the quality of the product. But at the same time, it is testing it. QAT also a part of a QA team.
So, like, as a founder yourself, so you might have your own founder group, you might meet so many founders, you might go to different tech events. So, I see, like, I want to ask you from the founder perspective, what founders get completely wrong about software testing or quality? Because I see, like, a lot of founders, like, as you say, they are reducing their QA teams. So, they're reducing their QA teams to might be to save the cost or whatever reason to increase the revenue. But still, like, then as you say, like, later on, now they're realizing their mistake and now they are hiring back the QA teams again. So what do they get wrong? Well, what is their perspective? What is their mindset?
So this issue is occurring with the product engineering teams who are either small or medium sized companies, because to cut down the cost of development,
Right.
they actually reduce the budget allocation for the QA teams. मुझे लगता है कि at the end of the day, if you see, the overall investment on creating the product was more when the QA teams were not involved. If I am a company, I am creating a product for my client, उस टाइम पे जब मैं टेस्टिंग के बिना प्रोडक्ट देता हूँ क्लाइंट को,
Right.
और क्लाइंट बग्स लेके आता है, तो फर्स्ट थिंग आई लूज इज अ रेपुटेशन. सो दैट इज अ हिडन loss which founders realize very late during the payments, and after when they try to increase the account with the same client, then they understand यार वो चीज खराब हुई थी, still knows, the client still knows.
Right. Right.
That is one of the biggest mistake or biggest impact when the QA teams are not done in a product.